My name is Nura Adila binti Ilyas. My ID number PDA 2111030.
My name is Nurzaida binti Maslan, PDA 21111027.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nina Aisyah Ridina binti Muhammad. ID number PDA 21111016.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Yusri Ikwan bin Muhammad Yusof. My ID number is PDA 2111033 and I'm going to talk about the introduction of our company. Manufacturing of good is the conversion of raw material into finishes of semi-finished good. There are many products which need to be manufactured before selling to the general public. In order to manufacture finishing good, company will acquire raw material, engage labor and other input necessary to change the raw material into the finished good. The manufacturing account can be used by business that produce product or goods. It's a tool that company can be used to help manage the finance, and inventory of the manufacturing company. This account can track production costs, material use and inventory level. Manufacturing account can also help business manage their cash flow and budget for future production. A manufacturing business is an enterprise of the product physical goods either top machine or labor to sell to customers. Moreover, it's a complete business because it buy the raw material used to create a product before selling it. It can be small business, large business and even global corporation. Manufacturing business must prepare a manufacturing account as part of the internal financial statement. The main purpose of preparing the manufacturing account is to ascertain the cost of goods manufacturing during the financial year and to ascertain the amount of any profit or loss occurred during the manufacturing process. The manufacturing account provides information of all the expenses and goods costs include the preparation of the goods to be sold. It's included the expenses include prepare the good but not the finishing good. All the expenses included the cost of raw material, the cost of machine and the maintenance, the salary and the wages of both skilled and unskilled worker. The depreciation of the asset are also included under this account.
Next is vision and mission. Our vision and mission is to be the largest cookies producer company in Malaysia, and our mission is to make unique, creative, high quality cookies for an affordable price. Let's move to our organization chart. First is Yusri Ikhwan bin Muhammad Yusof as a Chief Executive Officer of Cookies Master. Second is me as a Chief Marketing Officer, and next is Nurzaida binti Bazlan as a Chief Operating Officer. Last but not least is Nura Adila binti Ilyas as a Chief Financing Officer. Our background of company: Cookies Master. Business activity. Our company named Cookies Master is a company that runs a small-scale manufacturing business in Malaysia that produce cookies. We operate our business with 50,000 in investor-funded capital. Therefore, we need to develop our own product and the process for making it. We discussed the introduction of our business, which is cookies. Every member of the group has their ideas on listing the cost and determining the accurate cost. The company started their operation on 1st July 2022 and located in Johor Bahru, Johor. We must begin producing our product to achieve the set profit margin. So we usually do marketing, which is through every virtually to let people know about this business. Information about the product manufactured. The product produced by our firm is cookies. Cookies Monster product from Malaysia. The product sold with affordable and cheap price. The product manufactured by Cookies Monster are halal and guarantee cleanliness. The taste and crunchiness has been proven from the feedback of cookie lovers who have become regular customers. The ingredients like sugar and the flour in our cookies were very high quality. We provide delivery, pickup, and postage service for customers.
Before we make manufacturing account and financial account, we identify all the costs involved in manufacturing the product. So, this is the cost we identified. For cost of raw material consumed, we got 55,000. We had purchase on raw material and then minus closing inventory on raw material. Moving on for high cost, we got 73,000 because we add our full salaries to machine operators, direct wages, direct factory expenses, and royalty. After that, we got our total production cost is 94,300. We add all of our factory overhead expenses, which are insurance on factory mounting, rent and building, depreciation on plant and machinery, electricity, indirect labor, and indirect expenses. Moreover, we got our total production minus closing work in progress to get total production cost of operating goods. So the total is 38,300. Lastly, total production cost of company goods plus manufacturing profit to get total cost of good transfer. So the total is 8,830. Moving on, we go to more information. Cookies Monster produce 10,000 unit packet of cookies in one. The total production cost of complete goods is 80,000. So the cost per unit is 8 ringgit. Next, the percentage of markup of determining the selling price is 50%. So the selling price is 10 ringgit.
I would like to present about statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st July 2022. Cookies Master has been sold at value 100,000 ringgit.
The value will be minus with cost of goods sold, which is 89,640 ringgit, and then we got the gross profit 10,360 ringgit. The value has been added with manufacturing profit at 8,830 ringgit. Then the total will be 19,190 ringgit. After that, we got the revenues as much as 1,170 ringgit from discount received and amount that decreased in
Next,
provision
to
for unrealized profit.
the product is first administrative expense. Include office rent and building at value 2,900 ringgit and office electricity at value 550 ringgit. While the selling and distribution expense include depreciation of delivery fee 4,400 ringgit and discount allowed 400 ringgit. The total for administrative expense is 3,450 ringgit and the total for selling and distribution expense is 4,400 ringgit. Then we minus with charge imposed on the bank, which is included in financing charges at value 1,170 ringgit. Last, we have made a net profit of 11,640 ringgit.
Next, statement of financial position as at 31st July 2022. Cookies Monster have a plan to facilitate the delivery of stock to customer worth 16,000 ringgit after deduction with accumulated depreciation for 40,000 ringgit.
Is variable at 16,000 ringgit. Has been minus with to accumulated depreciation 3,200 ringgit. Then we got a total of non-current asset at 28,800 ringgit. A current asset that total 44,140 ringgit included closing raw material, closing work in progress, closing finishing goods, minus with provision for unrealized profit, plus prepayment insurance at factory building, cash and also account receivable. The total asset that we have already 72,940 ringgit. Then we start our business with an initial capital of 50,000 ringgit plus net profit. So the total is 61,640 ringgit. However, we have net loan value 9,000 and the current liabilities accrued rent and building 3,000 and also account payables 2,000. Then we got the total liabilities at value 11,300 ringgit. Lastly, the balance value that we got is 72,940 ringgit.
In conclusion, to summarize, Cookie Monster is the firm that we decide to run the produce our product cookies on the 1st July 2022 with a capital fund by inventor is RM15,000 ringgit. In July, the company produced 10,000 units of cookies. According to our monthly financial report, the cost of production of unit good of is RM18,000 ringgit through the cost of production of finishing good. We find the cost per unit of the cookies is RM8 ringgit and we sell the cookies for RM10 ringgit per pieces including the markup of 25%. Our company made a net profit of RM11,614,000 in July. So, we learn from the assignment that products a truly successful product require technique, step, method that adhere to the right produce, beginning with the kind of product and the raw material in progress to the quality of that the customer will be see and evaluate.
That's all from us. Thank you.